Make it shorter. From Class 2 is a story about a king who seeks the smartest man in his kingdom. He tests them with a challenge. Make a long story short. Many fail, but a humble man succeeds by telling the story of a bird's journey in just a few words. The king learns that brevity and clarity are signs of true intelligence. The tale teaches children the importance of concise communication and thinking. Subscribe to Bharat Self-Learning for more engaging educational content tailored for young learners.